A whisked beginning, early kitchen mixers.
Long before electric mixers, pastry chefs and home cooks relied on simple manual tools. Hand-cranked egg beaters first appeared in the mid-19th century, revolutionizing tasks that had been laborious and time-consuming. These early devices, with their basic gears and rotating blades, brought much-needed consistency and speed to mixing and whipping, laying the groundwork for more advanced kitchen innovations.
Turning up the power. The birth of electric mixers.
As electricity entered homes in the early 20th century, inventors introduced the first electric mixers. In 1919, the KitchenAid stand mixer debuted, offering hands-free mixing and a powerful motor. These appliances not only saved time, but also made it easier to achieve the perfect blend, quickly becoming kitchen staples for both professionals and home bakers alike.
Design evolves, mixers become modern icons.
Mixers saw continuous improvement through the decades. Streamlined designs, new materials like stainless steel, and ergonomic features made them more durable and appealing. Interchangeable attachments expanded their capabilities, kneading dough, whipping, and even grinding. Their bright colors and iconic shapes turned kitchen mixers into beloved symbols of style and innovation.
Mixers and baking culture, a lasting influence.
The widespread adoption of powerful stand mixers went hand in hand with the rise of home baking. Cooks could tackle complex recipes or batch bake with ease, fueling creativity and confidence in the kitchen. Mixers not only simplified tasks, but also helped shape baking trends, encouraging experimentation and a deeper appreciation for homemade treats.
The future of mixers, smart technology and innovation.
Today's mixers integrate cutting-edge technology with precise digital controls, timer functions, and even smart connectivity for recipe guidance. Manufacturers continue to innovate, creating quieter motors and multi-purpose attachments. The mixer's journey from humble hand tool to high-tech appliance reflects its enduring role in kitchens and its influence on the way we bake and cook.